How to enable the two-factor authentication in Zoho Mail. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Now head over to the login page and sign into your account first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of web interface. Next up, you need to go to your account settings. Tap on this accounts icon over here in the top right. Select this My Account section. It'll take you to your accounts page. Once you are here, in the top left corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see this multi-factor authentication panel. Tap on it. In this page, you can find different methods of two-factor authentication that you can activate in your Zoho Mail account. So you can go through it. There are the option of Zoho One Auth, OTP Authenticator, Security Key, Passkeys. So you can select your preferred method. If you want to set up the authentication from the Zoho One Auth, you need to download this app from the store. And after installing this One Auth app, you can follow along this process. You can sign into the One Auth using your Zoho account. After that, you can either choose Go Passwordless or keep using password. And then you can tap on Enable Multi-Factor Authentication. You can always edit the multi-factor authentication settings later. So that's it. That's how you can enable two-factor authentication in Zoho Mail very easily. You can even try out these other options if you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.